Hey guys, Loud Monkey got a really big, cool Halloween update with a new level and some spooky decorations. So, I'm going to be playing that in today's video. So, please be sure to like and subscribe.
Yes, cool, let's go to this area.
And let's go check out the shop. Ooh, spooky.
Yeah, cool.
Spooky Halloween cosmetics.
Legs are getting pierced in my ass.
Okay, we got a queso monkey here. So
This
now
one,
let's play the new
bathroom.
Halloween neighborhood update. Gosh, there's a lot of people going in here. Okay, so
But why do you have to do that? Guys, let's go to the bathroom.
But it plus your
Let's
post
go to the bathroom.
plus you're supposed to do that.
I got some candy
Nobody
cups.
loves people that kill everybody.
Cool candy cups.
Hey, who wants my box?
Go check
Want my box?
out what else we have in the neighborhood.
Hey,
I have no clue.
hey.
Ooh, spider. Are you the friendly one? Wait. Oh, that's skeleton. Is that skeleton?
Don't be mean. Died and I lost my gun.
Oh, spooky, you just got me. Oh, there's many of them. Ooh, there's a lot of spookies around this map.
Guys, you want to see how far I can jump? You guys want to see how
Oh
far
man,
I
I
can jump?
died. This is cool though. I don't know. I died.
Hey, you want to see how far I can jump?
So you died.
I need a gun so I can kill people.
Now that I cannot try.
Where do I go, guys? Oh no. Oh, there's tiny spiders. Yeah. Oh, I see a big one. I see a big spider, guys. Oh, it's the mama. It's the mama spider. Oh, I see the mama. I see the mama spider. I see the mama spider. I see the mama spider. What the heck just killed me? Ah!
I really gotta be checking my Halloween candy, bro.
Oh. Oh. Bye-bye, spider.
Candy! Give me candy!
Okay, I got one candy in my bucket. Spideys. Did I see a spider? Oh, whoa, oh my. Oh, there's spiders everywhere. I don't know where to go because there's... No, my Halloween bucket. My bucket of candy's gone. Give me my bucket of candy, or else you'll pay the consequences. Ah! Oh. Hello. Are you friendly? Is that the chainsaw guy? Ah. Okay, that was a chainsaw guy. Okay, I need to make sure I don't die because it'll restart my candies.
Candy! My candy! I worked so hard to get so
in
much
the
candy!
There's stuff inside the level.
There's some candy!
Oh, zero.
So hard for
There, though. I'm looking for some candy inside the houses. Wait. Oh! I just got hit by like... So that'll be the end of the video, guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.